Hey everybody, this is Tammy at All About Living, and we're gonna make the easiest 5-minute taco filling ever. All you're gonna need is my secret, it's not a secret, I have a video on how to make your own homemade taco seasoning and 1 pound of hamburger. That's it, let's get started. Okay. We got our frying pan, we got a medium-high heat. We're gonna let that pan get hot. Y'all know how I feel about that pan getting hot. Let it sit there just a minute or two. Let that bottom get good and hot, and then we're gonna drop our hamburger meat in there. I forgot my scissors, so we're gonna do it the old-fashioned way. We're just gonna pop it off like that. Hey, we're working on waiting on that pan. This pan is hot. Get that in there, hear it? That's what you want to hear. Just get that hamburger broke up. Okay, just let that cook. Minute or two more. And then we'll mash it some more. Take all your day's frustrations out on your hamburger. You just beat it and beat it and beat it because you want it in little pieces. Okay, my hamburger's all done. And if you're afraid of fat, you can go ahead at this point and take that little bit of fat out of there, but I'm not, because I'm not afraid of fat and I like it. And I'm gonna put just a little bit of water, like maybe that much, so like maybe 1/4 of a cup of water. It's come back up to a nice simmer really quick because I only put 1/4 of a cup of water in there. And I'm going to take this seasoning that I just made, my taco seasoning, and I'm just going to sprinkle what I think would be one of those packets. And we're going to mix that in. Okay, we got our seasoning in there. Our juice is starting to thicken up a little bit. We're going to give it a taste test. And see if my seasonings are right or if I need to add a little more. Yep, I'm going to add just a little bit more. Give it another stir. Okay, we're going to try it again. See if I got it right that time. Yep, that's it. Alright. There's your taco meat right there, ready for dinner.